So I'm thinking about humanity, and I suppose specifically human knowledge, because we as humans, we think that we know quite a lot about the universe and how it works. And we know about atoms and molecules and gases and all kinds of things about how the universe functions. But I suppose primarily I'm thinking we know about atoms and chemistry and physics and all of that business. So the question is, how much do we know compared to the other intelligences that are out there for sure? Because I'm thinking that there was a time when we didn't know about atoms. We had no concept of such a thing. And there might be something similar to discover that we don't have a concept of at the moment. We're not even aware of these things existing. And so, as we grow and develop and learn more about our universe, we'll find things that we're simply not aware of at the moment. We just don't know that there are things to be discovered. We think atoms are the smallest things that there are. We think we understand how things work, and we know what physics is about and chemistry. And so I don't think that there is a drive within humanity to learn and discover stuff. We feel that we understand pretty much everything, and I'm not sure that we're driven to try and discover more stuff. Of course, we want to travel more and see if there are aliens out there or whatever. But what I'm thinking is that it's very hard to judge the extent of what we know. How detailed is our knowledge of the universe? Is our knowledge of atoms, for example, pretty much as far as we can go in terms of understanding the universe? We think that the atom is the smallest thing that there is, and everything comes from that. But maybe that's not how it is, it's just how we think it is. And we might one day find that there's other things to consider when we look at our environment. So I'm wondering basically how much humanity knows about the universe, and are we ignorant as knowledge goes, or we think we know so much, but maybe the reality is we don't know that very much. I mean, in 1800 or whatever, we would have thought we knew a lot about the universe, but then obviously we've discovered a lot more since then, and the same principle applies going forward. So there might be so much to the universe that we simply don't know about. We're not aware of these things. So I'm just trying to work out how knowledgeable humans are about how the universe works. Because I've been thinking about whether we'll meet aliens one day and what the consequences might be and how much they might know compared to what we know. It's very strange to not understand how much humanity knows about the universe. I don't know whether to think we're very knowledgeable or in actuality we're fairly ignorant as knowledge goes. It's so hard to judge. But even 20 years ago, we knew a lot less than what we know now. And the same principle must apply looking forward. It's very strange and very unimaginable what the future is going to be.